Hi, TJ Gaushas here again, and I wanted to show you version 1.02 for the WordPress Companion Software. So we've had a lot of new additions to this, so I want to make sure to cover everything for you, including creating blogs and a whole bunch of extra little goodies that we've added in here for you. First thing you'll do is down at the bottom, it'll probably tell you to download the software from the original download link that you had. You're going to pop over to the settings tab. Now here, you're going to be able to choose a couple of different things. You had your login details before. You had your purchase a key for the software. If you want to become an affiliate, you can click here. You earn 50% for every sale, and that is recurring. Optional settings here to captcha key. If you need one, click here. Proxies, if you need them, click here. These are going to be used if you'd like. Again, they are optional, but is going to be used for creating blogs, and the proxies will also double and allow you to be able to use them when searching for keywords. Now, with that said, I want to come over to the research tab here, and the research tab is going to allow you to find keywords, create short URLs, automatically spin text with those URLs. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and type in, for instance, affiliate marketing. And I'll click Find Keywords. So we get all these keywords here that are suggested from various sources, including Google, of keywords that you can use and take these and create blogs with them if you want, blog names or what have you. And then all you do is you click on the Copy Found, and it will copy them to your clipboard. It tells you right here it's been copied to your clipboard. Now, let's say you wanted to create a bunch of short URLs to use. So, for instance, we'll go with https WPHorde.com. And I want to create, let's say, 10 short URLs. So I click on Create Short URLs. There we go. We get all 10 of them right here in a list format. So you can copy those if you'd like. And again, it'll tell you it's copied to the clipboard. Or you can take and use this spin text right here, and you can use this directly in your articles that are going to be posted to your blogs. So you could go ahead and use this to diversify the links that are actually being posted to your blog so it doesn't get saturated. Go ahead and copy those, and they're copied to your clipboard as well. Over here with the create blogs. Now this will create WordPress.com blogs for you. You just put in the number of them you want to create, the seed keyword or list of keywords. So for instance, that research tab we had here with all these keywords, you can take these and add them to a TXT file and select it here, and it'll start creating blogs with all those keywords that you just found, which are top searched phrases and keywords on major search engines. Go ahead and click right here to activate this tab, and then click Run. It will then begin to start creating the keywords for you. If you just want to use one seed keyword, you can put it in here. You don't have to use a list. You can just put it here and it'll start creating them. What it'll do is it will add a random number set after the keyword for you to ensure that the blog exists and gets created, and it saves all this to a CSV file for you directly in the same folder as the program. What you do with that CSV file afterwards is you come over to the blogs here, add blogs, select it, whether or not it has a header row in the file, and you want to activate this tab. Now, since we've already activated the tab over here, we need to uncheck that so that it's no longer selected, so that we're using only the one tab. Click on Run, and then it'll continue to start adding these blogs to your WordPress Horde account. Now, after you've created your posts on different blogs within your account, you want to get them indexed, right? That's the whole point. We want them to be searchable within Google, Yahoo, Bing, all the major search engines and so forth. So I've added an indexer here, so you can take literally the export directly from WPHorde. The file can't be opened anywhere else on your computer, so go ahead and select it. Once you've selected it, select the link service that you want to use for indexing here. Set the API key for that indexing service. Checkbox, click Run, and just wait for it to finish out for you. So to kick things off with all of that, we've also got some other fantastic things that we've gone ahead and added. So over here, I know you see this guest and auto approve right here. As Kurt has mentioned, he's going to be adding guest posting and auto approving posts for the different blogs that you're adding to the system. Those features will be coming soon. I don't have them here in the software yet because they are not public within the system yet. However, let's go ahead and move this over here. I'm going to go ahead and click this. It's going to log me into the system here. There we go. So I've got two blogs. They're both added to the group test right now. We can see that by going here. We see they're both added to test. Now, let's say I wanted to change a blog to digital. And I could select one or multiple. So for instance, I'll just grab both of them here and I say add selected to group selected. I checkbox that right here and click it. Tells me it's been done. We see here it's been changed, but let's just verify it here. And we see it's been changed over here inside our panel as well. You can just do a few of them. You don't have to do all of them. So again, I can go ahead and change this one over to a test. There we go. It's been changed, shows it here. And just to verify again, we can go ahead and reload it over here and that matches up and has been changed for us. The other thing I've added is maybe you want to check out your blogs or just visit them just to add traffic going to the blogs. All you would have to do is go ahead and check box the ones that you want to visit. And then right here we got visit selected. Just go ahead and click on that. It's going to open a new tab and it's going to cycle through the blogs that you've selected and then close out the tab when it's been done and let you know it's successfully finished. You can search these as well. So for instance, if I wanted to search just this one, I could pop it in here and it's going to limit down my search. So if you've created blogs by keywords, then you could search by keyword and bring up all the blogs that contain that keyword as well. So those are different things that you could do. You clear it out afterwards and it shows all your blogs. As you have more, it shows pagination across the bottom like it had in my previous video. Keywords currently are just visible. I do plan to add an import functionality for that. And as always, I encourage feedback and suggestions for the software so I could add even more functionality for you guys. Eventually, I may have to make this software size bigger. I'm kind of starting to run out of some room here, but I really want to feature pack this thing out for you guys. Really make it worth your while and make sure that you've got all the tools that you need available. I've got some ideas in my head of things to add in, but I don't want to add it just for the sake of adding it. I'd like your guys' feedback and suggestions so I can really grow this software to be a multi-tool Swiss Army knife for you, not only to work with WPHorde, but to work with the posts that you've created, working with the blogs that you're wanting to put together, maybe importing keywords and their value for the keywords here within the site. Or any of the integrations, or working with the creation of posts area. If there's anything creative you want in there, maybe you want to add in to work with other APIs or AI systems or whatever the case may be. You let me know and I will check it out and definitely research it to see if it's something that's feasible or can be done. If it can be, more than likely I'll throw it in the software. So with that said, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you love the changes. I know I like them, but I hope you guys love them too. Thanks, and until the next time, take care.